Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to remove duplicate photos in Google Photos in 2026. First, open your web browser and go to Photos.google.com. Sign in with your Google account if you are not already signed in. After signing in, open your Photos library. Google Photos may not always provide a one-click duplicate removal tool, so you can remove duplicate photos manually. Scroll through your photo library and look for duplicate or very similar photos. You can also use the search bar to find photos from a specific date, location, or event. Select the duplicate photo you want to remove, then click the trash icon at the top of the screen. Confirm by clicking Move to Bin. The photo will be moved to the bin, but it will still take up space until it is permanently deleted. Next, open the bin from the left side menu. Review the deleted photos, and if you are sure you no longer need them, click Empty Bin to permanently remove them and free up storage space. Regularly removing duplicate photos can help keep your Google Photos library organized and make it easier to find the pictures you want. That's it. Now you know how to remove duplicate photos in Google Photos in 2026. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Photos tutorials. See you in the next video.